Hello friends, welcome to our channel Husband's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare crispy corn vada in very simple manner within 15 minutes. For this we need corn, green chilies, a piece of ginger, coriander seeds, sugar, cumin seeds, garlic, salt and curry leaves. Firstly, remove all the seeds of the corn in a bowl. For this we are using 3 to 4 corn. Now in a jar, add all the seeds, then add green chilies, ginger, garlic, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, salt as per your taste, and sugar. Now grind it coarsely. Remove the batter in a bowl. And add chopped curry leaves. Give it a mix and our batter is now ready.